How to connect with your teen in 2025, New Year's resolutions for parents. The new year is a time for fresh starts and new beginnings. For many parents, the goal is simple. Connect more deeply with my children. Our teenagers are navigating a complex world and need our guidance, support, and unconditional love. Let's explore some powerful New Year's resolutions to bridge the gap between you and your teen. The gift of time. Prioritizing one-on-one moments. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. But taking a step back to focus on one-on-one moments with your teen can make a world of difference. The first resolution is simple. Make dedicated time for your teen. This means setting aside specific moments in your busy schedule to connect with them. It could be as simple as a weekly check-in or a monthly outing. Life gets busy, but nurturing important relationships is crucial. Amidst the chaos of work, school, and other commitments, it's essential to carve out time for those who matter most. Recreate those precious moments from their childhood, even amidst teenage chaos. Remember the joy of simple activities like playing games or looking through old photo albums? These moments can still be recreated and cherished. It's about presence, putting down the phone and giving your teen undivided attention. In a world full of distractions, showing that you are fully present can mean the world to them. Maybe it's a coffee date where you both can sit down and have a heart-to-heart conversation over a warm cup of coffee, a walk in the park, enjoying nature and each other's company, away from the screens and noise of everyday life, or cooking a meal together. The kitchen can be a great place to bond, share stories, and create something delicious together. The activity is secondary, the intention behind it matters. It's about showing your teen that they are valued and that you cherish the time spent together. Show your teen they are a priority and cherish the time together. These moments of connection will leave a lasting impact. These moments will shape their self-worth and understanding of love and connection. They will remember these times as the foundation of their relationship with you, helping them grow into confident and loving individuals. The power of listening, hearing beyond the words. Everyone craves to be heard, and teenagers are no exception. In a world filled with distractions, taking the time to truly listen to your teens can make a world of difference. Truly listen to your teens, going beyond their words to hear their emotions. It's not just about the words they say, but the feelings they convey through their tone, body language, and expressions. Create a safe space for them to share their hopes, dreams, and fears without judgment. This means being patient and giving them the time they need to express themselves fully. When they speak, give them your full attention and resist the urge to jump in with advice. Sometimes, they just need to be heard and understood rather than being told what to do. Sometimes, the greatest gift is simply your presence and willingness to listen. Your undivided attention shows them that they matter and that their feelings are valid. Respect them enough to listen with an open heart and mind. This means setting aside your own biases and truly trying to understand their perspective. This strengthens your bond and teaches them the importance of empathy and understanding. By modeling these behaviors, you help them develop the skills they need to build strong, healthy relationships in their own lives. Embracing their world, supporting their passions. Embrace your teen's world and support their interests, no matter how different they may seem. It's important to remember that their passions are a reflection of their individuality and creativity. By showing interest, you validate their choices and encourage them to explore further. Teenagers are on a journey of self-discovery, and it's our job to support them. This period of their life is crucial for building their identity and self-esteem. By being there for them, you help them navigate the complexities of growing up. Show genuine interest in their passions, whether it's coding, photography, or anything else. Ask questions, participate when possible, and celebrate their achievements. Your involvement shows that you care deeply about what matters to them. Attend their events and be present in their world. Your presence at their games, performances, or exhibitions means more to them than you might realize. It's a powerful way to show your support and pride. Your support fosters their self-esteem and sense of purpose. When they see you cheering them on, it boosts their confidence and motivates them to keep pursuing their interests. Make an effort to learn about what excites them and be their biggest cheerleader. Read up on their hobbies, ask them to teach you, and show enthusiasm for their progress. This not only strengthens your bond but also shows that you value their passions. Your belief in them can give them the courage to pursue their dreams. Knowing that you have their back can be the difference between giving up and pushing forward. Support their uniqueness and help them live a life true to themselves. Encourage them to embrace their individuality and remind them that it's okay to be different. Your unwavering support can help them become confident, well-rounded individuals. Parenting teenagers can be challenging, but it's an opportunity for growth and connection. Prioritize your relationship with your teen by being present and listening with your heart. Create a space where they feel safe to be their authentic selves. Embrace these resolutions to create a bond that will thrive long after they've flown the nest. Choose connection over perfection and build a lasting relationship with your teen.